Hello everyone, can you solve this one of hardest mixed fraction problem? 5 and 4 over 9 to the power of minus 1/2 times 4 2 over 3 divided by 2 to the power of minus 3. This equation seems complicated, but actually it's not that hard. Let's solve it. First, let's look at 2 to the power of minus 3. Remember the rule: if x to the power of minus y is equal to 1 over 2x to the power of y, and also if 1 over x to the power of minus y is equal to x to the power of y. Now we can rewrite the equation like this. And now let's simplify this equation first so it's easier to solve. 5 4 over 9 is equal to 9 times 5 plus 4 over 9. 9 times 5, 45 plus 4 over 9. So the equation become improper fraction 49 divided by 9. So now the equation become 49 over 9 to the power of minus 1/2. And we can rewrite the equation become 9 over 49 to the power of 1/2. Remember about to the power minus and to the power plus. So the equation now becomes square root of 9 over 2 the square root of 49 is equal to 3 over 7. Now we can rewrite the equation becomes 3 over 7 times 4 and 2 over 3 times 2 to the power of 3 is equal to 8. So we put 8 here. Now let's convert this mixed fraction to improper fraction. 4 2 over 3 is equal to 3 times 4 plus 2 over 3 equals 12 plus 2 over 3 equals 14 over 3. Now we can replace mixed fraction 4 and 2 over 3 by this improper fraction 14 over 3. Let's do the final part. 3 times 14 over 3 times 3 times 8 equals, as you can see, 3 cancel out, then 14 divided by 7 equals 2. So the equation becomes 2 times 8 equals 16. This is the final answer. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video.